Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the orange line and then green lines are coming from. But the main dynamic here is that orange line. And for those of you that have watched the past videos, I've been talking about that as, you know, a trend line that I was interested about. And now all of a sudden, very interesting because late day today, afternoon, volume picked up and got the trend line breakout. So this is by no means some sort of revolutionary discovery or statement. I assure you, anybody that uses charts, understands charts, has taken notice of this and is wondering the same thing, and that is, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Are the bulls ramping back up? Is there a bigger move happening? The trend line has been broken, and then to use in kind of, you know, trading lingo or pattern lingo as far as technical analysis is concerned, can this breakout get continuation? Can it just continue higher? So that is definitely the big question. But the powerful part is at least it makes sense to be asking that question right now. Before the afternoon, it didn't really make sense to say, is this the start of something bigger? Well, because nothing was really going on. But now something is going on. So does that mean this is guaranteed to go back up to $3 and be something bigger? No, there's no guarantees. But at least at this point, it's a rational and valid question to be asking. So the level that really stands out to me now that's going to help us answer this is, can the price now stay up above $2.20? So for me, 220 is important as far as this is, because, and I'm not saying this will happen, but if the price were to come down to 220 and then just break down below it, well, at that point in time, that would be putting the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but trendline breakouts that break out and then the price goes back to where it was, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, because nothing can go straight up. So if the price comes down here, behaves like that at 220 and then works its way back upwards, well, at least at that point in time, you'd have a situation where you'd have a set of lows there, you'd have lows down there, and if you envision these as stair steps, well, hey, there you go, you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And really, to me, that's the main part I'm interested in, and I don't really care about resistance levels, because if the price can start to chip away and build higher lows, then breaking levels of resistance will take care of themselves. So as of right now, the big question that I have is this the start of something bigger? And the first sign, the first step in the right direction that it is the start of something bigger is if the price can stay above 220. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.